Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about wastewater purification working model. So normally in our day-to-day activities like from house, apartments and factories, we use water daily. So once we use that water becomes waste and that water we are sending into drainages. Now, when the water goes into the drainages, our intention is to save water and we wanted to recycle the used water. So, what we are trying to do in this working model here is, so whatever the water which is getting wasted from house, apartments and factories, we are storing here. And the same water we wanted to recycle by purifying it. What we are trying to do here is, we have kept a DC water pump here, and that water pump is going to pump the wastage water. We have 4-stage filters we have kept big gravel in one of the stage, and the second one is smaller gravels, and third stage we kept as a sand, and fourth stage we kept as a tissue paper or a cotton. And this is a purified water storage, and again we have kept the purified water tank. And this purified water tank, once it is purified water gets stored in this, and this water we will be using for drip irrigation. Our agriculture purpose, we are utilizing this water, plus we are also using this for other purposes in the house or apartments, that we are going to reuse the recycled water. Now we are going to switch on this water pump so that this wastewater is going to pump into the filtration unit. If you can see, right, we are switching on. So now we are water is getting pumped to these various stages of water purification. Now water is getting pured from these stages. Now water is finally come to the fourth stage, which is the tissue paper. Once out of this this purification, we will get a pure water here, purified water here. See if you can see, right, now purified water has come here, and this water will be used for our various agriculture purpose, as well as the gardens of the house or gardens of the apartment. So I hope this complete recycling of the water by making use of this water purification plant, that helps really to save water as well as make our earth more sustainable on our day-to-day basis. I hope you guys got a clear idea on what is all about wastewater purification working model, how to explain this in our science exhibition projects. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this working model. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.